Hey Boo, and welcome home to Revolution Tarot. So today we are doing a pick a card reading for you, and this pick a card topic is how is your life upgrading in front of everybody? How is your life changing and transforming? Okay, so you have three options in front of you: pile one, pile two, pile three. Pick and choose whichever option is pulling you the most to it. You can be drawn to all three piles, two piles, one pile. The ball is totally in your court. All right. And if you enjoy this reading, do let me know in the comments down below what resonated with you. You can also check out all my other services in the description box through um, the links of my Patreon readings, or you can also check out the spells that I offer on my Patreon, Alchemist Dear. Okay, so if you're interested to learn about spell work, alchemy, and things like that, I teach you that on my Patreon, and I also do exclusive pick a card readings there. So if you're interested for more of my content, exclusive content, you can check it out in the description box below. I also have my PayPal for donation as well as my Amazon wishlist and Etsy wishlist in case you would like to donate to my channel. All right. So I'm super excited to do this reading for you. Let's tune into your piles and I'll see you in your piles, my love. Peace. All right, pile one. Let's tap into your reading. I'm going to use my protection and road opening spray for you and for me. So we both are protected during this reading and this space. If you're interested to learn about how to make your own sprays or your own bath salts or your own alchemical works that can transform your life magically, then you can tap into my alchemist tier. Okay. So let's see. Pile one, Spirit. Tap me into pile one. How is pile one's life upgrading in front of everybody right now? What is about to shock everybody about the upgrades that pile one is getting? Okay, even I'm intrigued, pile one. Like, hmm, let's see. Spirit, tap me into pile one. How is pile one's life upgrading in front of everyone? We have the temple path. Wow, beautiful card. Okay, then. Let's get some other oracle decks here as well. So we have this one. Let's see. Pile one, Spirit. How is pile one's life upgrading in front of everyone? We have true offering. Okay. We have this deck now. So let's see. Spirit, tap me into pile one. And how is their life upgrading in front of everybody? We have the healing light. And then we have this one. Okay. So let's see. Spirit, tap me into pile one. How is their life upgrading in front of everybody? Okay. We have Calvin Klein. Oh, lovely. Okay. Okay, so pile one, what am I getting for you in terms of your upgrade? The first thing that I'm getting is there is a wish that you have been trying to manifest. And this wish of yours is something that could be regarding your soul purpose, or like you understanding what it is that you are meant to offer to the world, what it is that you are meant to bring to this world, maybe you have been doubting that aspect of your life as to like, am I doing the right thing, am I in the right job, am I doing the right profession, or do I need to change my profession, do I need to do something else? Some of you could be drawn to the healing as well with the healing light here. Some of you could be drawn to spirituality, or um, a path that professionally you can get into, which is spiritual, I'm hearing. Okay, because we have the temple path here and the healing light here. So something about that is coming through where your life is transforming into a version of itself that is more spiritual, it is more sacred, it is going to feel like a sanctuary, I'm hearing. Okay. You could have also tried to manifest your life purpose, or you could have tried to manifest your soul group, I'm hearing. Okay. And I feel like your spirit guides have heard this, and they are bringing people in your life who are connected to your life purpose, or who are connected to what it is that you love doing, which is obviously going to then push you towards your life purpose and direction. Okay. Yeah, there's something about that that's coming through. It says your true offering takes what can be an unbearable cross and returns it to love. Okay. So I feel like pile one, how your life is upgrading is that if people try to offend you, or people try to take a jab at you, or people try to mess with your confidence, your inner confidence, your self-esteem, your self-worth, I feel like you are just going to let it go and give it to your higher self or give it to the divine. Okay. And in a way that is developing your thick skin. Okay, because maybe in the past you were quite sensitive to the remarks that other people gave you or the judgments that other people gave you. Okay, maybe you could have tried to fit into an image so that you could please others around you, right? But I feel like that is completely changing, where people are going to be shocked by this. Like, how are you just being yourself and you're not threatened by me trying to bully your appearance or me trying to threaten you and make you feel insecure in some way about what you're doing? People are going to be shocked, because especially your enemies I'm picking up, or people that don't have it out, don't have a positive intention towards you and your path, right? So these people are going to be shocked, but also people in general in your life are going to be shocked, because how your life is upgrading is that you are aligning with your life purpose. You're aligning with what it is that you're meant to do in this world. Okay, some of you need to take a life purpose reading with me. Okay, this is the time for you to get that reading, because I go into uh, a lot of depth and detail as to what it is that you're meant to do. Okay, so keep that in mind. But regardless, there is a wish that is coming true for you, and I feel like this wish is coming through because you are now ready to take a risk towards something that you love, or towards something that you have always wanted to do in the past. Okay, and this is going to bring about a lot of abundance in your life. Okay, that's also what I'm picking up, because maybe you could have been facing some abundance blocks, like financial blocks or challenges, and you had to like really surrender to the universe, because you did not understand what was the blockage or what was causing the blockage. It was subconscious or it was conscious or it was other people. What was the reason, right? And that's because, again, there was influences around you, pile one, that did not want you to succeed. Okay, that did not want you to have that true love, that did not want you to have that true career path that fulfills you, because these people are miserable, right? These enemies of yours specifically is what's coming through. So yeah, that's how your life is transforming, is where you are now ready to take a risk. Okay, you're ready to make a statement, like you're ready to come out in the open with what it is that you always thought you wanted to do, but you never had the guts, you never had the courage to openly do this. It could be like like I said, like a spiritual career or a spiritual industry. It doesn't have to be though. It could literally be perfumes as well. Okay, there's a perfume bottle here. Maybe you want to start your own perfume line, or um, fragrance, something about fragrance is coming through, or gardening is coming through, or religious also, so something about religion is coming through, or studying religion, studying spirituality is coming through, like to get deeper into your practice as well, to heal yourself or to heal others, that is also coming through. Okay, so yeah, interesting. Some of you are literally meant to like create a product that heals people, like a perfume that heals people or something like that is coming through. Okay, but that's not for all of you, that's just for some of you. So let's get the tarot. Okay, I'm very excited to dive in to see the specifics of this message here. If you have not given your ancestors an offering or your spirit guides an offering, um, they are asking you to get in touch with them or get in touch with your higher self. Okay, they're asking you to start meditating more often, to align with this energy even faster, is what's coming through. Okay, and use some essential oils, I'm hearing. There are a lot of free remedies that I post on my Patreon. Okay, so for free, that too, so you can just join for free and you will get a lot of small spells and remedies that you can do to like activate this timeline and to align with this timeline much faster. Okay, that's what's coming through. So let's see. Use essential oils, okay? Or maybe making a perfume with essential oils. Hmm. Like blessing your product. I'm hearing Reiki. Some of you have a lot of, like, you're very talented with your hands, okay? Over here, as I can see, there's hands here as well. Some of you could be into fashion, or your aesthetic is changing, because again, you are going to now step into the version of you that is very, very authentic. And I feel like you're going to let go of any criticism that you could have held on to from the past, but also criticism that could be coming to you because you're stepping more into your healed version of yourself, more authentic version of yourself. Okay. Yeah. So pile one, spirit. Tap me into pile one. We have temperance. Yeah, that's the healing card right there. Okay. Beautiful. So pile one, spirit. How is their life upgrading in front of everybody? I feel like you are solidifying your spiritual routines as well. So no matter which industry you're in, pile one, like, you're going to start having a spiritual routine where maybe you're meditating once you wake up in the morning, or you're doing some exercises that help you affirm to yourself that you are already in your desired reality, or you are getting in touch with your ancestors, or you like start working on an ancestral altar where you get in touch with your ancestors every morning once you wake up, or before you go to bed, like you offer them water or something like that. Okay, you use some kind of spiritual perfume to, like, activate them, is also what's coming through. Like, it's beautiful. Like, I feel like your routine is becoming very sacred, very pure, very cleansed. Okay, your aura is getting cleansed, and that is aligning you to your manifestations and to your desires. Okay, so people are going to watch this upgrade because they are going to feel like you used to be confused in the past. Okay, they are going to feel like you used to be confused in the past, like you did not know which direction to choose. Maybe you went along in one direction and then you always switched directions, or you could not commit to one path. So these people are going to be shocked, because I feel like now it's like you are dedicating your focus to one thing, because that one thing fulfills you on all levels. Okay, that life purpose of yours fulfills you on all levels. Pile one. You definitely need a life purpose reading from me, like, or from anyone. Okay, any other reader as well, but you need a reading about this, because this is going to actually be the missing piece of the puzzle that solves everything for you. Okay. Yeah, because you have the power to create the reality of your desires, your dreams. Okay. I feel like some of you could have been ashamed of what you wanted or what you desired in the past. And that's because of other people's projections onto your dreams. Like, no, that's not possible. No, this is not how it's done. No, don't do that. You will not get what it is that you want if you do that. Um, a lot of negative Nancy's around you, I feel. But how your life is upgrading is that now you're going to have a lot of choices, a lot of options, because you are manifesting options. You're manifesting choices, and you're manifesting a perfect choice within those choices that is going to fulfill you on all levels. Okay, because you are a multidimensional being, pile one, and you have multiple interests. And if people are going to shame you for those multiple interests because you can't focus on one thing and you're not able to do it in one way, I mean, what the heck, right? Like, you are the god of your reality, you are the goddess of your reality. Who are they to, like, limit what is possible for you when you are a limitless being, right? We have the Six of Swords. So I feel like that's what you're realizing, that you are the god or the goddess of your reality. Okay, and that whenever you are getting in touch with your ancestors and with your spirit guides, your higher self, it's like you're connecting to your higher self, you're connecting to the version of you that is here to support you always, that is here to guide you always, right? And you have a lot of faith and belief within this version of you that has all your desires, that has all your manifestations. Okay, some of you could be manifesting a move, like you could be moving from one city to another, one country to another, one state to another, one apartment to another. um okay, you could be manifesting a vehicle as well, is what I'm picking up for some of you. Yeah, I was getting the King of Cups. I should have called it out. I was getting that emotional intelligence from you, like how your reality is upgrading in front of everybody. Okay, how your life is upgrading in front of everybody is that no matter how much people try to confuse you or try to distract you from your goals or from your dreams, you are going to know how to emotionally handle these people with emotional intelligence, and you're going to know when to walk away from certain conversations that are not serving you, and you are going to know which conversations are going to lead to something much better and brighter and a win-win for the both of you. Yeah, like there's a lot of power that's coming through in through compassion, through empathy, through communication with from your heart space, I'm hearing. So you are going to start communicating from your heart space because you're aligning with your life purpose and your soul mission that you're here to do. And that requires you to communicate from that space so that your desires and your manifestations can flow through you. Okay, effortlessly, I'm hearing, with ease. So people in your life thought that you were blocked, thought that you would never get back up, thought that you would never move on, thought that you would always be stuck in the past or stuck in the past version of you. But you're completely rewriting your history, you're rewriting what happened, and you're rewriting any kind of traumas or any kind of patterns or blockages in your subconscious mind that was holding you back from really daydreaming and manifesting your dream reality. Literally, that's what's happening here. Okay. And you're also attracting people in your life who are emotionally intelligent enough to handle this version of you and to accept this version of you and to love this version of you, because it's coming from a very healed space, it's coming from a very pure space, it's coming from truth, your truth, right? And that is how you are also improving your relationship with yourself. You're not betraying yourself anymore by pretending to be something that you're not, right? And in turn, that is helping you align to authenticity, which is the highest frequency and the vibration in the universe. Okay. Yeah, Three of Cups. And you're attracting people who resonate on that same frequency, who are aligning to that same frequency. You're attracting friends who want to be your friends because you accept them for who they are, they accept you for who you are. They don't have petty complaints about why you are not letting them be codependent or things like that, like why are you not partying or why you're not doing this or that. Like, don't get me wrong, like there will be disagreements between you, but it's going to be from a healthy space. Yeah, with the Three of Wands, because you are aligning with people that are much more positive, that are much more enthusiastic about life, that are much more focused on expansion in life. Okay, that's who you're attracting. So in a way, because your life is expanding, because your vision is expanding, right, this healing light within you is expanding right now. Okay, so I feel like you're going to start dressing differently, you're going to start talking differently, you're going to speak from your heart. You're not going to hold yourself back if there is some truth that you have to offer to someone, if that can help them. But you're not going to rub it in people's faces that you're better than someone. Okay. So, in a way, people are going to be confused about this because they're not going to know how you made this transition. But you made this transition because you are in touch with your higher self, with your spirit guides, with your ancestors, with your angels, and you don't take them lightly, you don't take them for granted. You have a lot of gratitude for everything that you have accomplished until now, all the dreams that have come true for you until now. You have that level of gratitude in your heart, which these people do not, and that is why they are so focused on you and focused on confusing you and focused on deterring you from your path, right? So if they focused on their life as much, or if they focused on being authentic in their life and focusing on their life purpose, then they wouldn't be wasting their time on you, focusing on you and how to derail you, because that is not working out in their favor anyway, right? So yes, all the confusion is lifting away. I feel like this is the result and the fruits of your patience, of you working with the divine, of you working with divine timing. And sometimes you could have felt like giving up on your manifestations, giving up on your wishes, on your desires, but then you keep getting back up, because that is how resilient your spirit guides are, that is how resilient your ancestors are, and your higher self is. Okay, that is your true power. And they keep reminding you that you have all the tools right now to feel better about your manifestations, to feel better about your self-worth, about your heart space. And I'm hearing you could be doing some like mental health healing or emotional health healing, which is reflecting in your outer reality. Okay, it's upgrading your relationships, it's upgrading your financial status. Okay, where you are manifesting much quicker than what you used to in the past. Okay, I feel like some people will notice like you're wearing more expensive cologne or perfume, or like people are going to start noticing the upgrades in your life, in your thinking, in your way of communicating, as well as in the way you're dressing, okay, and the kind of people that you're hanging out with. All of this is upgrading, right? In front of others that thought that you would always be stuck. Okay. Wow. So, wow, this was so much fun to channel pile one. If you are looking for a life purpose reading, okay, I offer 1 hour life purpose readings and I go really, really in depth in my reading. So, if you're interested to check that out, you can just, check out the description box below where there will be a link to purchase that from my Etsy store. Okay. And I have all other types of readings as well available over there, so you can check out the reviews to know whether you can go ahead with it, or if you connect with my energy through the reading, then you can definitely check that. I also have my Patreon where I offer my services, so you can check that out for exclusive pick a card readings or for learning how to do spells to transform your life. Okay. And if you would like to donate to the channel through my PayPal or through my Amazon wishlist or Etsy wishlist, then you can check out those in the description box below as well. Pile one. Okay. So pile one, congratulations on this beautiful reality that you're manifesting, and let me know once it is starting to show up in your life. Okay. Thank you so much, pile one, for tuning in, and peace. All right, pile two. Let's tap into your reading with this protection spray first to protect you and me. If you want to learn how to make this is available on my Alchemist tier, where I teach you how to make bath salts, how to do spells, how to um, create magical objects for yourself that can transform your life. Okay, so if you're interested in learning those things, you can check out my Alchemist tier on Patreon. I also have exclusive pick a card readings there, so you can check that out as well. So let's see, pile two. How is your life upgrading in front of everybody? Pile two, spirit. How is their life upgrading? And I saw an elevator right now. Elevator. Your status is elevating, pile two, okay? Your status. So if you were making a 5-figure income this month, I'm seeing you shift into a 6-figure income. Like it's exponentially increasing. Your status, your position financially is increasing. Okay. That's what I'm picking up. So let's get more on this. That was just a channel message for you. Let's see. Yeah, we have the confidence. Okay, we have the solar plexus here. Beautiful. So you are shining bright, Pile. Oh my God, look at that. At the bottom of the deck, we have envy. Okay, like your light is so brilliant. It's so bright that dark energies just cannot like stay in it, or that's what I'm hearing, Pile too. Okay, like dark people or people with dark intentions, they just cannot like look at the light that's shining from you, right? It's so bright that these people have to like go back in the dark. Okay, damn, that's intense. Pile 2. Okay, but I feel like you're coming into your true power. Um, is how your life is upgrading. Okay, let's get a few more. I'm very intrigued by this. 37 could be a significant number for you. Okay, or life path number 3 or 7. Let's see. How is pile two's life upgrading? We have gratitude. I love that. Okay. Then we have this one. Pile two spirit. How is their life upgrading in front of everybody? How is pile two's life upgrading in front of everybody? Okay, we have fragmented energy. And let's get one from here. Pile 2 spirit, how is there? Ooh, we have Robert L. Johnson. Okay. So pile 2, what am I getting for you? Like, look at this guy right here, Robert L. Johnson, right? And he looks like a reporter or like in the news for some reason. So that's what I'm picking up with you. Like your brand or whatever it is that you're doing currently, like for your job, be it you are working under a company or you have your own business. So for example, if you're working under a company, you're going to start your own business. That's the upgrade that's coming through. Okay. I feel like you're going to take the blessings of people in your life or people that you have a lot of gratitude for who have supported you, and you're going to start this. Like, that's what I'm hearing. Okay. For some of you, if you have been paid a certain amount until now, I feel like that is doubling next. Okay, like you are entering a new tax bracket, I'm hearing, or you are entering a new chapter of your financial life where there were things that you could not afford before, but now because of this upgrade you are able to afford um, certain things that you never dreamed you could afford in the past. That's what's coming through. Okay, I feel like you have some people in your life, okay, specifically people that work with you, I'm hearing, or work around you or work under you. This could be anyone, right? But you have had people who, how do I put this? Like these people have not had your best interest. They have been jealous of you. That's what I'm picking up, okay? Because we had the envy card, remember? And they were always jealous of your light. So they could have tried to like kind of put you down a little or like just remind you that you're not the boss or you're not, you're not all that you say you are. People could have tried to like mess with that confidence, I'm hearing. Okay, but you're getting your power back, like you are retrieving back all the energy that you were giving to these people, or um you were spending on these people, I'm hearing. So some of you could have literally helped someone financially, okay, and this person is actually jealous of you. Okay, so they don't have gratitude in their heart for your generosity and for your gentle and kind heart. Okay, pile 2. So it's like you're taking your power back, you are reclaiming your throne, you are realizing that people who are not grateful for what they have received in life, or how you have been there for them when they needed your help, if they don't realize that and if they don't value that, it's not about like them paying you back or them giving you something or them, it's not about that, but it's about just that equal give and take, or that reciprocity of at least gratitude within their heart towards you. And how your life is upgrading is that you are now gaining the confidence to speak your mind if people do not respect your point of view or do not respect what you have to say, because now you are entering a new level, like you're unlocking a new level in the game of life is what I'm hearing. And so if people are going to come at you with weird energies, with the envy here, right, if people are going to come at you with weird energies, like you're just going to say no thank you. Like that's what I'm hearing. Okay, because you're very grateful for what you have achieved until now. You're very grateful for the stability that you have had, but I feel like you have also been working really hard towards your goals, right? And at times you could have had to sacrifice your personal time with people that you care about or that you love, or maybe even your love life for some of you, because you have wanted to really upgrade financially and really be in a stable space there, so that you can then focus on things that also matter to you, right? So you have had to sacrifice a lot of time, a lot of energy, effort to basically achieve this level. Okay, and so your confidence is rising. The way you're going to speak to people is going to completely transform and change to the point where people are going to be in awe of you. People are going to notice you when you walk in the room. People are going to just, feel the upgrade off of you. Like the way that you're presenting yourself, the way that you're dressing up, the way that you're talking. Um, it's not all over the place anymore like maybe in the past it used to be, because maybe at times you also lacked belief in yourself. At times you could have struggled with feeling grateful for what you already had, because it took some time for you to develop this level of confidence within yourself. Okay, but I feel like because of this increase in confidence, you are now achieving and unlocking this new level in life, is what's coming through, where you are also reclaiming pieces of yourself that you gave away to other people, that they were not grateful for. Okay, and these people are going to see you rise. Like they are going to see you win, they are going to see you succeed and enter a new level in your life, and they're going to be envious of it, obviously, because they were not focused on themselves, but they were wasting time on watching you and sabotaging you and things like that. Okay, we have your overlooked markets are right in front of you. So some of you could, like, your investments could start paying off. So if you have invested in some company, or if you have invested in something, okay, it could be anything, stocks, shares, bonds, or cryptocurrency. For some of you, like the returns are coming in for you in a big way, I'm hearing. Okay, yeah, network to net worth. So I told you, like, this social standing that's changing, like your status is changing, um, your net worth is changing. Okay, because you now have the confidence to speak up, whereas in the past you didn't believe in yourself. So you didn't believe that that was even possible for you, pile two. Okay, but because of your um, goodwill towards people, because of how much you have helped others, or how much you have, it's like your good karma is now coming back to thank you for what you have done for the world, for the people. um okay, we have high priest in reverse. Clarify spirit, we have four of pentacles. Clarify pile 2 spirit, clarify the spread here. We have knight of pentacles, we have two of swords reverse, beautiful. And let's get one more from this deck. We have page of swords. Okay, and at the bottom of the deck we have four of wands. Yes, exactly, look at all the yellow here, right? And look at the solar plexus here, so this is talking about, again, the upgrade of you not fearing being seen. Okay, so how your life is leveling up is that now you're not afraid of being seen, being heard for your talents, for your skills. You're not afraid to speak up if your company is not recognizing what you bring to the table, and they're not ready to, like, upgrade and pay you based on what you are worth, because your worth is shifting, because the kind of hard work that you have put in is about to pay off big time. So if there are people in your life who do not recognize that, then those people, you are just going to say no thank you to them, is what I'm hearing. Like you do not want to um, expend more energy and time and fragment yourself even further to um, achieve their impossible standards in your mind, is what I'm hearing. Okay, um yeah, I'm hearing you could do something very unconventional, is how your life is upgrading in front of everybody. Like maybe in the past you always went the conventional route when it comes to your finances. Maybe you were into a 9 to 5, or you were doing things very conventionally, but now it's like you don't want to do that anymore. You don't want to be into a 9 to 5. You want to own your own business, and you have some savings for that with the Four of Pentacles. Like you have saved up some money, and I feel like you're going to slowly and cautiously and methodically start spending into the thing that is going to bring you more wealth, more abundance. And you are heading in the right direction because now you see clearly. Now you have more confidence in yourself to see clearly. Okay. And with the Page of Swords here, it's like you are also researching the market. You're studying what is overlooked right now, what markets could boom up, and your intuition is guiding you towards the right investments, towards the right direction that can boost your net worth for you. Okay. And there is an interruption in the regularity of your schedule here is also what's coming through. So if you used to do things a certain way, that is transforming, where now you are becoming more unpredictable, more unconventional, and your confidence is exuding because of that. Because you have belief in yourself now. You trust yourself. You trust yourself. In the past, you could not trust yourself because, like I said, people wanted to show you that they can't trust you. So you develop that trust issue within yourself. But now it's like your foundation is strong, it's sturdy, okay? And I feel like you are being celebrated by people as well. So how your reality is leveling up is that literally you could, because of these investments, you could actually purchase a new home, okay? You can literally purchase a new home, or you could be invited to like a social event or a party or a gathering where you crack a huge deal. I'm hearing like you crack a huge deal for your startup or for your, I'm hearing like some of you could go for TED Talk or for Shark Tank. I'm hearing like you could literally like show up and show out. Like you invest in an idea that you have had for a very long time, and you were fragmented about it because of maybe other naysayers, or you shared that idea with someone else and maybe somebody else told you that that's not going to work and things like that. But you are like, I have to take a chance on myself. I have to see where this goes. I don't care what the other person thinks, you know. That's what's coming through. Like that level of confidence is what is driving this deal towards you, because now you have belief in yourself that you are not going to lose out on more opportunities in life where you get to shine, okay, where you get to succeed in life. And if that breaks other people's hearts because you have to walk away from maybe a company or a certain institute or um, a certain way of being, then so be it. Then they are the true parasites. You aren't, okay? And you're not going to waste any time on these people anymore, because maybe you heard them in the past. Maybe you tried collaborating with these people in the past with the Three of Pentacles, okay? But it only led to more and more Four of Swords in reverse, which is like restless, sleepless nights, like you not getting what you're worth and what you deserve, and you not feeling confident about yourself because these people wanted to keep you in that position so they can use you for less than what you're worth. Okay, they wanted you to feel that this was the best that you could achieve, but they were keeping you in that box. Whoever this is, this could be your company, your 9 to 5 company, this could be the job that you're doing, this could be the people that are paying for your services. If you're already in a business, like if you have a business already, like you are completely transforming your business, like you are applying unconventional methods to market yourself is what's coming through. You could spend in ads, I'm hearing online ads, Google ads, I'm hearing Meta ads. You could be doing those things, okay? You could be researching about these things, studying these things, okay? Interesting. So how your life is upgrading is that your life is completely changing with the Fool. Like you are now embodying a version of you that believes in limitless timelines and possibilities for yourself. And you're not backing down. Like that is your spiritual inheritance because of the good karma that you have earned, and you know what you have done for people. You know what you at times have sacrificed for yourself in order to do for other people. So now it's time to now take all your power back. Okay, take all your, you know, chipped confidence back and reclaim your power, reclaim your throne, and level up, okay, with the elevator. I'm hearing some of you with an elevator pitch, okay, something could happen in an elevator, is also what's coming through, okay, that's a very specific download. Um, Yeah, so that's what I'm getting for you, pile 2. Wow, what a powerful reading right here. Okay. So 37, like I said, could be significant. I'm seeing here Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn very strongly, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius as well very strongly. Okay. And I'm seeing Aries as well here, and Leo as well. Okay. So pile 2, thank you so much for tuning in, my love. If you want to check out my services on my Patreon, I have exclusive pick a card readings. You can check out different topics. They are in the description box below. You can also check out my Alchemist tier, where I teach you spell work and how to transform your life financially, spiritually, mentally, emotionally. Like, I have you covered in all directions. Okay. So check that out to ritualize yourself and learn how to transform your life from the inside out. You can also donate to this channel through my PayPal, through my Amazon wishlist, through my Etsy wishlist. Okay, if you would like to donate tarot decks and oracle decks to my channel. Pile 2. Alright. So thank you so much, Pile 2, for tuning in. And let me know in the comments if this resonates with you, Pile 2. And peace. Hey, Pile 3. Thank you so much for tuning into Revolution. And let's spray some protection and road opening spray for you and for me, so that we both are protected during this space. Okay, if you want to learn how to make this, you can tap into my Alchemist tier, where I teach you how to do spell work to transform your life. Okay, more than 500 spells are coming up over there. Already 50 plus spells are already uploaded, so you can check that out. And I upload spells twice in a week. Okay, over there. And then we have pick a card tier as well. So if you're interested for exclusive tarot readings from me, check out the pick a card tier on my Patreon. Okay, so let's see, how is your life upgrading? Pile 3. How is pile 3's life upgrading, spirit? In front of everybody, how is pile 3's life upgrading? Ooh, we have the second chakra. Okay. All right. Then we are going to take this oracle. Let's see. Pile 3 spirit. How is pile 3's life upgrading in front of everybody? Ooh, inner power. Wow, look at the colors there. Okay. Interesting. Somebody is interested in you. Somebody is so interested in you. Oh my God. Like, let's get a few more cards and then I'm going to clarify what I'm seeing here. Pile 3 spirit. How is pile 3's life upgrading in front of everybody? Yeah, we have new beginnings. Okay, beautiful. And let's get one from this deck. How is pile 3's life upgrading in front of everybody? We have Christine Lagarde. Lagarde? I don't know how to pronounce that. You let me know in the comments if I pronounced it right. Okay. Okay, so pile 3. What am I getting for you in terms of how your life is upgrading? Um, I feel like in the past you have been through relationships with people where you have not been appreciated for the kind of sensual pleasure that you were intimately giving to your partners. Okay, that's what I'm hearing. Like, you were not appreciated for it. In fact, you could have felt that whenever you got intimate with someone or close to someone in that way, that you felt used, or you felt like that people were not valuing you. Okay, that they were objectifying you in some way. Okay, yeah, that's the energy I'm picking up. And that's because of you not stating what you like when someone gets intimate with you, because you didn't have the confidence that if you said that other person would not judge you for it or would not criticize you in their mind for it. Like, you really overthought this to the point where you never recognized your own inner power, is what's coming through in the past. Okay, you didn't have the courage to like speak up about what you wanted and how you wanted to be pleased and how you wanted to be taken care of in those intimate, very close moments with someone in your past. Okay, and now there's a new beginning that's happening in that. So how your life is upgrading in front of everybody is that you are attracting someone, and this person like cannot stop thinking about you, cannot stop thinking about how to like take care of you, if you know what I mean. Okay, behind closed doors, like when being intimate, this person imagines or daydreams or fantasizes about like how to please you in every way. In fact, with the baby here, this person literally imagines, like, if you know what I mean, pile 3. Okay, this person imagines like also growing old with you, with the old lady here. Okay, like they find you to be so hot and sexy or very handsome, to the point that even if you grow old, like you're gonna be so hot. Like they imagine that. This is so interesting. Okay, so how your life is upgrading in front of everybody is that you're attracting a person who, I'm hearing, owns their power, who owns their authority, to the point where this person does not feel like if they are giving to you and if they are pleasing you, that is taking away from their power. Interesting. Wow. So you could have felt like that. You could have felt like embarrassed to like open up and share with your partners as to how to please you sexually, because you never felt comfortable with your own sexuality. Okay, so even you are coming into your own power where you don't care anymore. Like pile 3, you don't care about how that other person is going to take your um, preferences, or how they are going to judge you for what you want in bed. Like that's what I'm hearing. Like you want what you want, and if that person is not going to please you, then they are not the one. Like I'm moving on, moving forward. Okay, that's what I'm hearing from you. So you are changing your attitude in intimate relationships and love relationships, and that is attracting a person with that level of inner authority and power to share with you. Okay, like they don't mind sharing um their raw power with you, is what I'm hearing. Okay, and be careful though. Okay, because there could be chances of like, okay, you being with them for old age if something like that happens. But yeah, your life could be upgrading in a way where like you are really intimately like satisfied and like, yeah. This is such a unique reading. Pile 3, like, oh my goodness, like even you might feel like you're astonished by this inner power that's rising within you, but that's because it's like, um it's been pending for so long, or you haven't tapped into your own inner power for so long that now it's like bursting out of you. Okay, so like people are going to feel this level of confidence oozing out of you, this level of like satisfaction and fulfillment oozing out of you, because of this relationship. And I feel like you are going to be a power couple with somebody. That's what I'm hearing. Okay, this is definitely a love reading. Somebody has been manifesting you with the magician here and page of swords. Yeah, somebody is spying on you. Somebody is manifesting you and spying on you to see if it is working. Okay, this person is getting really impatient about you, um to manifest you. Okay, and I feel like this is because you have healed your wounds. This could be wounds of intimacy. This could be wounds of improving your relationship with your body because you didn't feel good enough for someone else, because you judged yourself for certain imperfections on your body, for certain imperfections, maybe, um, yeah, in any part of your body. I'm hearing like it could be anything. Okay, I don't want to channel in detail because some things even YouTube censors, so I don't want, you know what I mean, right? But yeah, we have 2 of coins. Some of you felt like that you were always two timed, or if you would say, or if you would speak up about your intimate needs, that you would like, this person would then move on to somebody else and would two time you or something like that. There was a lack of confidence here, and just because you wanted this person to stay with you, you would like accept bad treatment, or you would accept treatment that was not worthy of you, right? So how your life is upgrading right now is that you are realizing what you're worth. You're realizing what treatment you're worth and what level of intimacy you are worth. Okay, because that's how your inner power is rising. Yeah, with the magician, like you know what you bring to the table, right? And so if that is not being met, then you're not going to be with that person. Okay, you don't mind being alone, is what I'm hearing. Like you have mastered that for yourself. Okay, beautiful. How does this one fall, spirit? Yeah, I knew it. So it is the Queen of Pentacles upright. Okay. And let's get one more. And look at the red roses here. Pile. Look at this on the Magician as well as here, right? So there's a lot of passion blooming in your life. Is how your life is upgrading in front of everybody, where like a healed version of you is now taking center stage in your life, where you are going to start attracting people who are so into you that they can't hold back, or so into you that they want to rush things with you. And there is a specific person that's actually manifesting you, and they have been like with the infinity, and infinity here, something about your past lives are connected. We have the lion card, which is the strength card as well, which also has an infinity in the tarot deck. So something about 888 is significant. Okay, abundance, interesting. So your money, okay, interesting. As soon as you get in a relationship with this person that is manifesting you, your money is going to double. I'm hearing both of you, like both of you are going to financially be gifted. Okay, how is that going to happen, Spirit? Just clarify that. How is that happening? Financial upgrade, King of Cups, because this person is going to love you in the right ways. Um, this person is going to make love to you in the right ways. They are going to love you in the right ways, in the most patient, empathetic, and compassionate way. They are going to hold space for you. Okay, they are going to want to serve you, please you. Okay, and that is going to then heal parts of you that felt like you lacked something. Okay, so it's a relationship that's actually going to heal you and heal your inner authority and your inner power. I'm also hearing heal your relationship with authorities. um and Seven of Cups. Where like you used to be confused in the past about like why my relationships don't work out, or is it me? Like you could have blamed yourself a lot. Pile 3. You could have blamed yourself for relationships failing or for you not finding the right love. But then you realize that you have to love yourself. You have to love every part of your body. You have to love every part of what the society programs you to hate, about yourself. Like how the actors on TV shows and TV series appear to be so perfect that you have to now go and get injections just to not have those lines on your face. Like that's what I'm hearing. Like it has gotten crazy to the point where now you are embracing those lines. You're like, screw that. That makes me unique now. That makes me different now. That is my inner power. That is everything that I've been through. And I love every freaking wrinkle. I love every part of myself. No matter how perfect or imperfect or flawed or like incorrect, whatever it is, based on societal standards. I don't care. And when you come into that attitude and that inner power, like that's who you're attracting. A person who's actually going to love your wrinkles, who's going to think you're going to be so hot even when you grow old with all those lines. Like that's what I'm hearing. And they're going to be like, that's going to be a turn on for this person. Like, wow, look at this pile 3. Like, I cannot take my eyes off of this person. I cannot be with anybody else because that's your soulmate that you're attracting. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, as I said that. Oh my goodness. Oh man, these readings, when I get these surprises during the readings, those are the best moments for me. Like, look at the Queen of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles. That's you and your person. Okay? You're attracting your true match. Pile. And with the water and the earth, this is like they're going to nurture your soil. I'm hearing. I'm not even kidding you. They're going to water the seeds in your garden until they are blooming. Look at this garden and look at this, right? There's such a lack here. That's the mindset that they have come here to heal. Like they are bringing so much water so that the ice is melting and there's a garden that blooms within you, because now you have cultivated that energy towards yourself. Okay? That's who you're attracting, right? So if you're not in the stage yet, you are being asked to work on your own limiting beliefs, on your self concept, on where you think you lack power, like, where you think that you keep losing people because of you and because of something wrong with you. Okay, because that's just society programming you to think like that. Okay, is what's coming through. While all right. Wow. So yeah, this is a relationship, definitely a soulmate that's coming towards you. Now, this person could also have ghosted you, or you could have ghosted them, or you could have just been in your own lane, just focused on your life, on growing your garden, your finances. And now you're going to start seeing the shift where people are just approaching you from left, right, and center, but there's going to be one person that you're really drawn to. And you could be confused between two options, but I feel like there's one option that's really going to stand out for you because look at the flowers matching here. Okay, so this person is going to match your energies with the yellow and the orange here as well. Okay, because they have also done some inner work on their own confidence issues and power dynamic issues within themselves. Okay, they have healed their relationship with authority, I'm hearing, as well as with women. I'm hearing interesting women in their family. Okay, or they are already in the process of doing that while you have been away from each other. Okay, beautiful. So pile 3, this is what I have for you. The zodiac signs I'm seeing are Gemini, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, yep, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, I think I mentioned that, and Leo as well. Okay, so that is what I have for you, pile 3. Let me know in the comments, like, did this resonate with you? Okay, and if this happens, please come and let me know in the comments. Okay, I love to hear your good news whenever these things manifest. Like, I really put a lot of intention into these readings, that they can transform you, they can bless you, they can create a whole new reality for you and change your life for you. Like, that's my motive of me doing what I do on this channel. So if you have, if you have received any benefits from this reading, let me know in the comments down below. I would truly appreciate that, my love. And check out my services. I have exclusive pick a card readings on my Patreon, on my pick a card tier. I also have my alchemist tier where I teach you spell work and alchemy to transform your life. Okay, in all ways, financially, emotionally, mentally, spiritually. You can also donate to my channel through PayPal or through Etsy wishlist or Amazon wishlist, where I have my favorite tarot decks and oracle decks that you can gift to me. Okay, so yeah, you can check that out as well. Pile 3. Thank you so much for tuning in, my love, and peace.